centerpiece that we have to do today, it's gonna be just for one table. It's gonna be a long table, approximately 12 feet long. So what I have to do is spread the bases all along the center of the rectangular table. So what I have here are 4 pieces of these bases. These are 13 and a half by 4. I have 4 of those. I have 3 group of these cylinder bases. So this is gonna be one group, and this group is gonna be repeated all along the table. I'm gonna start working with the flowers. This one is gonna be only white and gold color. See you soon. As you know, the next step for this process is putting the wet oasis and the bases. I already have 2 done, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna work with the other one. I'm gonna use 1 brick and a quarter of the other one. What I did, I just slice out one portion. Is around 1/2 inch wide. I cut it down to make the oasis get into the to the base, but I will need a portion more, so I will do the same process. I have my knife. Yes, I'm gonna cut here, and I'm gonna put in the same way. If you feel that it's dancing, if you don't want to have that problem, don't worry. You have to cut a little piece and put it here, so that is gonna help you to stop moving the oasis, and they're gonna be always safe for you. Also, if you want to repeat the same process on the other extreme, it's okay, but I think it's too much. Nobody's gonna see this, so don't worry. Just in case, put in there, and the oasis is stuck in the base. I'm gonna do one more. It's really heavy. I already put this. I have my, it's not a quarter. Oh yes, it is no, it's a third. It's a third. Yeah, it's 1/3. I'm gonna leave it even. Cut and put in size. No, this is, I have little portions here, so I can use of these pieces. Remind that the other oasis that I used previously. I don't know. Okay, yes, I'm gonna put it here, and that's it. Now I'm gonna start working with the flowers. For each centerpiece, I will use 10 white hydrangeas, 8 white roses, 6 white moons, cremons moons, and 6 white spray roses, and some touch of baby breath or million star. She doesn't want any leaf on the floral arrangement. So, and the centerpieces, I will set the length of the centerpiece. It has to be, I put my yellow measure tape here, at least 2 feet long. Okay, let me see. Okay, wait a minute. It's still short, but don't worry. So the wedding is tomorrow. I still have time to keep adding flowers. Okay, this is good. I know what's the problem here. If the hydrangeas is fresh, I don't have any problem to put it in and put it out and take it out, put it in again until I see they're gonna be in the way that I want. And then remember, you have to add water, so the stem is gonna be on the water. Still long. Far. Okay. Yes, I like the way that it look. Now I'm gonna keep putting the other flower. That's gonna be the moons. Over here one more. Yes. And now the other one is gonna be the white roses. These roses are called Tibet. Let me turn around to see what's going on the other side. And now the spray roses. I'm gonna see what's happening on the other side. Okay, that is not everything. I forgot that I had to put this. One is ready and I have to do 3 more. Then I will show you what kind of flowers they will be and the clear cylinder bases. Okay, let me keep working with this. Well, I have here all my centerpieces of not centerpieces, pieces for the table ready. This one that goes oasis, the flowers go in oasis. And now I have to be working with the cylinder base, but there is nothing I can do here in my store. So I have to be sure that I'm taking with me the frog and the white marble, because this is something that we have to do it at the bench. So I see you there when we arrive.